Hello everyone, my name is Itisham Rabbani and I'm Solution Architect at Huawei Cloud. It's a pity that this year we have had to move the Huawei Connect conference online for a number of reasons. But thanks to advanced multimedia technology, we can still communicate and have important sessions through online platforms, which is not so different from the usual face-to-face meetings. Well, this is also one of the many benefits of digital technology. Digital transformation may sound a bit abstract, but in reality, it is closely related to every one of us and every company. In this session, I would like to share with you my thoughts about the digital transformation of governments and enterprises. Over the past 2 decades, the internet and later the mobile internet have changed our lives profoundly. During this period, the focus has been on consumers. In recent years, the industrial internet has become the new focus. The need for digital transformation of traditional industries has become more urgent than ever before. In this new wave of digitalization, governments and enterprises have taken the center stage. They are embracing digital technology with an open mind and are driving digital transformation to unprecedented levels. So we have to ask questions to ourselves. Why digitalization? Why is it heading? What are the standards of digitalization? These questions are always in our mind. And on the mind of company CIOs, some say that people understanding of digital transformation is like the old story of the blind man and the elephant. Different people may have different answers because they all are seeing different parts of the bigger picture. Let me give you a couple of examples about how governments and enterprises are traveling down the paths of digital transformation. The government of Shanghai is exploring refined city management using a technology called digital twins. The idea is to map the physical world into a digital world, a digital twin, which allows everything to sense what's happening around them. This allows for extremely fast response to any incident that happened in this mega city. In Shenzhen, the Bureau of Meteorology is using 5G and artificial intelligence to improve weather forecast. Weather forecast for the next 4 hours can be extremely accurate for each 1 square kilometer area. This helps alleviate the impacts of any potential disastrous weather conditions. In the fight against COVID, the reopening of the economy, smart logistics, and many other areas, governments and enterprises alike are using digital technology to improve their ability to cope with uncertainties. In the future, this capability will be an important criteria in validating the success of digital transformation. We call this capability digital resilience. So how do governments and enterprises ride the digital wave and improve their digital resilience? Well, cloud and artificial intelligence are definitely an important part of the answer to this question. In recent years, governments and enterprises have been accelerating their journey to the cloud. They have consolidated their data and also have hugely improved resource utilization. In this phase, the main focus has been how to smoothly migrate applications to the cloud without having to rebuild them, thus ensuring service continuity. As the cloud journey continues, today many organizations have reached the new phase of CloudNative. In this new phase, the focus is on business agility. Applications are born and evolve on the cloud. An important innovation also happens on the cloud. Of course, CloudNative cannot be achieved overnight. Different organizations from different industries may face vastly different situations in terms of cloud adoption. So these two phases are expected to coexist for a long time. As I just have mentioned, different industries have different needs at different phases of their cloud journey. So what kind of cloud is needed for governments and enterprises that are trying to use intelligent technologies to transform their operations? Well, this is a question that is worth putting some serious thought into. I have a discussion about this with many government officials and company CIOs. In their opinion, in the early phases of cloud transformation, the main focus is about migrating applications and data to the cloud. By doing so, they can enjoy the convenience of the cloud without the usual hassle of running the IT infrastructure. So what kind of cloud do they want? First, they want a cloud platform that can match their complex organizational structure and also provide a reliable foundation for the cloud transformation of their entire businesses in the future, including their most mission-critical systems. Second, as data is becoming increasingly diverse, they need more efficient, more intelligent ways to mine data in real time. The cloud platform needs to show its unique value in facilitating data mining and driving the intelligent transformation of the end-to-end process. Third, to support rapid innovation and iteration, cloud-native methods must be adopted to develop agile applications. This process is not about disrupting existing systems and then rebuilding them from scratch. Instead, a progressive approach must be taken. Legacy and new systems have to coexist and work together to ensure business continuity. Finally, deploying a cloud platform for the government or a large enterprise is usually much more complex than people would like to think. How to best build, migrate to, and use the cloud is a huge challenge. Governments and enterprises wish to work with the best vendors so they can do things right the first time. To sum up, governments and enterprises wish to work with cloud service providers that have strong expertise in the field and that truly understand their needs so they can quickly build the right cloud for their organizations. Huawei Cloud Stack is a full-stack cloud solution designed to meet the needs of governments and enterprises. It inherits the full-stack services and capabilities of Huawei's public cloud. It provides the same APIs that Huawei Cloud provides, delivers consistent experience, and also shares Huawei Cloud's ecosystem. At the same time, it can meet all compliance requirements through on-premises deployment. Currently, Huawei Cloud Stack provides over 80 industry-leading cloud services in 12 categories. How do we build a cloud that matches the needs of governments and enterprises? Well, to do that, we have been making strategic investments in 4 areas: building a solid foundation, advancing data intelligence, improving application agility, and providing excellent services. We have launched an impressive portfolio of products and solutions. With them, we hope to help our customers accelerate the transition from cloud-based to cloud-native. Cloud infrastructure is the foundation of the cloud platform. To make sure that our customers have a solid foundation, we have put forward 4 multiples. They include multi-architecture computing, multi-cloud collaboration, multi-domain disaster recovery, and multi-level cloud management. Multi-architecture computing refers to using the CPUs of multiple vendors and having multiple resource pools in a single cloud. This means our cloud supports different CPU and architectures and virtualization technologies. This allows the customer to reuse their existing resources. Federated Cloud 2.0 enables multi-cloud collaboration by providing a unified portal to the public clouds of different vendors located across different regions. This allows the customer to quickly build a hybrid cloud. Migrating core applications such as databases and ERP to the cloud is the last mile of a full-scale cloud transformation. It is also the hardest step. To ensure the continuity of these core applications, we have developed the industry-only multi-scale, all-scenario, and self-service DR solution. Customers can smoothly migrate core applications to the cloud without making significant changes to these applications, ensuring that their services are always online. Finally, Huawei Cloud Stack supports a management architecture that can contain up to 5 layers. This architecture can be easily mapped to the multi-layer structure of large organizations. In the domain of data processing, we have seen 2 major trends: real-time analytics and intelligent production. A data lake is an important tool for analyzing massive amounts of data, and it is shifting from offline data lakes to real-time logical ones. Huawei Cloud Stack has proposed a lakehouse solution, which is a new concept that combines the best elements of both data lakes and data warehouses. Based on He2 engine, Huawei Cloud Stack builds a logical data lake to allow for collaborative data analysis across different data sources, domains, and warehouses. There is no need to move the data around, and data analysis efficiency is improved by over 50%. We have launched an intelligent data lake solution to handle massive data sets. Diversified data sets can be imported into the lakes in real time and analyzed in milliseconds. This allows customers to extract value from massive data sets in real time so they can make better data-driven decisions. Huawei Cloud Stack provides AI capabilities to help you embed intelligence in production. You can quickly deploy the models trained on Huawei Cloud to your on-premises environments. You can use pre-trained AI models and inference services on Huawei Cloud or deploy them to the edge or even end-user devices, so you can extend intelligence to where it is needed the most. Take StateGrid as an example. Using the intelligent data lake solution powered by Huawei Cloud Stack, StateGrid has reduced the time for importing electricity billing data into databases from 4 hours to 5 minutes. They have also automated power grid inspection by leveraging edge cloud synergy. The AI capabilities provided by Huawei Cloud Stack are helping StateGrid move steadily toward intelligent production and operations. Traditionally, core financial transaction system usually run on a mainframe architecture. Deploying such a system is time-consuming, expensive, and difficult to expand capacity, which has become an even more serious issue as new internet businesses are growing rapidly. Nowadays, more and more financial customers are choosing to build core transaction systems on a distributed architecture. Huawei Cloud Stack has proposed a new distributed architecture which financial customers can use to build their core transaction systems. This architecture provides full stack capabilities and can meet the requirements of financial organizations in every aspect. We provide an enterprise-grade distributed database called GaussDB. It gives you the performance, scale, and availability that you need to support your most demanding workloads. With the distributed architecture, GaussDB allows you to easily scale up storage and add up to over 1,000 nodes for a single DB instance to handle petabytes of data. Huawei also provides an enterprise application integration platform called Roma. Using its microservice governance capability and distributed middleware services like distributed messaging and distributed transaction, we can help you transform legacy applications into a distributed or microservices-based architecture, which is a better choice for your core systems. Huawei provides comprehensive professional support to ensure you can smoothly migrate to the cloud and enjoy reliable services. Huawei is your trusted partner, helping you with cloud creation, migration, and use. We have teams of experts around the world ready to help you with top-level blueprint design, cloud planning, building, and operation and maintenance. At yesterday's keynote speech, Mr. Changping An, president of Huawei Cloud, announced Huawei Cloud Stack 8.1. In addition to a robust portfolio of cloud services, this new version also offers 16 specific scenario solutions. These solutions are tailored to the specific needs of a specific industry. We expect to create a real, substantial value for our customers. In terms of professional services, we provide 3 service support plans that can be matched to different customer needs. Besides remote service support and 2-level operation and maintenance for industry clouds, we have recently added the remote service hosting plan. Customers can entrust all operation and maintenance tasks to Huawei's professional operation and maintenance team. This way, customer-owned teams can stay focused on more important issues. Finally, I would like to end up my speech by saying that digital transformation is a journey without an end. And digital resilience has no end state either. The rapid, healthy growth of the cloud industry requires effort from all parties. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our customers, partners, and friends for your consistent support for Huawei Cloud Stack. In the future, we hope to continue to work with all of you to accelerate the intelligent upgrade of governments, enterprises, and industries, and to leverage the full benefits of the cloud to drive innovation. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. It is my honor to join you here at Huawei Connect 2021 and share with you how we promote digital transformation of Juctual Finance and leading financial governance. This topic mainly covers the 3 aspects of the digital transformation of Juctual Finance: objectives, implementation, and achievements. Jiangsu Province is an economic powerhouse. In 2020, Jiangsu Province's GDP reached 10 trillion yuan, with a GDP per capita of 125,000 yuan. Jiangsu Province has been ranked number 1 in terms of financial revenue in China for 12 years in a row. A financial department is a comprehensive functional department for economic management. The information system of Jiangsu Provincial Department of Finance manages trillions of yuan in funds for 30,000 budgeting departments across 136 financial districts throughout the province. It serves 80 million people in Jiangsu Province. Finance is the foundation for national governance. This makes the digitalization of financial management a pressing issue. A digitalized financial system is a more modern financial system, and a more modern system means more modern financial governance. The digitalization of Jiangsu Provincial Department of Finance began in the 1990s. After years of effort from financial departments at all levels in Jiangsu Province, most financial management capabilities have been digitalized to ensure the security of funds. However, to achieve the goals of financial governance modernization and to reform budget management, there is still a long way to go. Horizontally, financial services are isolated, including budget preparation and execution, final accounting, performance management, procurement, asset management, non-tax administration, finance management, and supervision. This leads to information islands and data silos. Vertically, there is a lack of a unified construction planning. Service rules and data standards are inconsistent, and management systems are isolated. As I mentioned, a financial department is a comprehensive functional department for economic management. It provides a platform to enable other industries or departments. It has complicated management processes, diverse service needs, many types of involved services, and massive volumes of data. Traditional informatization and management methods are not up to the task of reforming financial management systems. Complete digital transformation for the whole province is the only option. The objectives of Jiangsu Finance digitalization are to become integrated, unified, digitalized, cloud-based, and service-based. First, integrated. Financial management services need to be integrated to form a closed-loop management system that connects financial services at all levels in the province and enables real-time data reporting. This facilitates one-stop processing of financial services at all levels throughout the province. Second, unified. A single management system for the whole province needs to be established. This system has to be able to centrally manage financial services at all levels, including the province, city, county, and town levels. No independent management systems need to be deployed by lower level departments. Third, digitalized. Efforts should be made to promote the transformation of the financial information system from providing process-based support to mining data value. Digitalization can help improve our financial management capabilities and further assist with national governance. Fourth, cloud-based. Huawei Cloud Stack can be integrated with the financial management system to enhance their technical foundation and leapfrog past incremental improvements straight to cutting-edge digital technologies. Fifth, service-based. GPaaS and DaaS services deliver support capabilities that can be deployed to enable officers who manage or participate in financial service management. They build a better hub for digital financial services and data management. This financial hub improves service reusability and integration. There are 5 aspects to this pathway to digitalization: unified top-level design, unified regulations, unified technical framework, unified database, and unified support and assurance. So let's take a look at these 5 aspects. Digital transformation is a complex project. In 2019, Juctual Finance worked with Huawei to work out the top-level design for the finance digitalization of Jiangsu province with the 5 objectives in mind: integrated, unified, cloud-based, digitalized, and service-based. Jiangsu Finance then made a plan for the service, application, and technical architectures. In the service architecture, the organization of all financial domains will be streamlined based on the full lifecycle of the projects managed. The service architecture defines 17 domains and 69 service scenarios, streamlines 185 processes, and includes plans for over 1,000 application functions. For the technical architecture, Jiangsu Finance designed a geo-redundant disaster recovery model for unified resource management, on-demand scheduling, and elastic scaling throughout the province. A plan was made to build service-oriented core service systems and integrate technologies and implementation paths of different information systems at all levels in the province. The application architecture includes decoupled front, middle, and back-end layers. The front-end layer leverages a one-stop platform delivering UI and card-based customization to flexibly customize user permissions. The middle-end layer strengthens commonly used foundational services. The back-end layer unifies data standards so that data can flow smoothly between all service modules. This creates a foundation needed for a financial big data platform. The top-level design not only creates a blueprint for digital transformation of finance in Jiangsu province, but also leverages Huawei's technical and intellectual resources. It allows for in-depth integration of financial management reform and advanced digitalization technologies. Unified regulations for service management are necessary for integrated, digitalized management for financial departments. Jiangsu Finance have formulated the integrated budget management regulations in Jiangsu province by strictly aligning with the budget law and integrated budget management regulations issued by the Ministry of Finance of the People's Republic of China. The digital transformation of Jiangsu Provincial Department of Finance should comply with these regulations. To implement the unified top-level design and unified regulations, Jiangsu Finance leveraged Huawei Cloud Stack and Huawei Dev Cloud to create a unified development framework and build a 1+1+N integrated construction ecosystem that could comply with regulations of the Ministry of Finance. The unified technical framework strengthens process management for the construction of the new integrated system. It allows for concurrent, agile development of service modules, significantly accelerates iteration, and drives technical innovation. Take Jiangsu Finance's newly digitalized asset cloud platform as an example. This platform was their first centralized service information system developed with cloud-based microservice technologies. It has provided digitalization support for management of tens of thousands of state-owned assets in Jiangsu province. The complex asset cloud platform was reconstructed using the unified technical framework. After the construction, it can be combined with an integrated budget management platform. In this way, legacy systems can still be used and the whole development process can be managed and controlled. This example proves that the unified technical framework is feasible and can be used for other financial information systems at all levels in the province. A unified finance data foundation has been built for the whole province. Silos have been dismantled and data is shared. Horizontally, financial service modules and external organizations are seamlessly interconnected. Vertically, financial data at all levels in the province is centrally collected, and data aggregation and multiplier effects are leveraged to unleash the value of data and improve fund utilization. To adjust to the integrated, unified, and digitalized financial management, Juctual Finance worked with Huawei to set up a single support and assurance system for the whole province. This system provides comprehensive support for the construction of the infrastructure, network security, and O&M systems. Through the course of digital transformation for Juctual Finance, they have established a comprehensive cooperative partnership with Huawei and achieved remarkable results. First, 100% of Juctual Finance's core workloads have been moved to the cloud. This provides a technical foundation for them to improve service integration and unify management of financial departments at all levels in the province. Second, Huawei Cloud Stack and Huawei Dev Cloud have helped Juctual Finance develop the unified technical framework in compliance with the technical standards formulated by the Ministry of Finance. The framework has helped Juctual Finance build a 1+1+N digital construction ecosystem, which enhances process management for finance digitalization. What's more, the financial service system is now capable of developing new services in parallel and with more agility, and iteration is faster. The system also drives technical innovation. Digital transformation cannot be achieved overnight. Juctual Finance will inevitably encounter all sorts of problems and challenges on the way. But through their cooperation with Huawei, they'll be sure to succeed. Well, that's all for this talk. Thank you.
Hello there, everyone. I'm David Sanchez-Plaza, Solution Architect at Huawei Cloud. It's my great honor to have this chance to share my ideas with you for Huawei Connect 2021. I'd like to talk about some of the use cases for distributed GaussDB, also known as OpenGauss, in the core financial systems. With the rise of new infrastructure, cloud computing has become an important cornerstone for digital transformations and development in China. Relying on cloud technologies, a growing number of China's top 1,000 enterprises and startups are transforming their services and promoting the digital intelligence. Cloud-based development trend is the future. We believe that cloud-native databases will be a turning point for enterprises' database upgrade plans. In the past, financial customers built their core systems on DB2 mainframes or centralized databases such as IBM, Oracle, or EMC. Now, these customers are migrating their services to cloud-based distributed databases powered by x86 or Kunpeng architectures. Cloud-based distributed solutions are especially popular in the internet and financing services. Financial customers face a number of challenges when applying distributed architectures to their financial services and core systems. Internet finance is growing incredibly fast, and traditionally centralized databases have struggled to scale up fast enough. Intracity, active-active disaster recovery, and 3 data center geo-redundant disaster recovery systems are required to ensure high availability. To ensure high performance, databases need to support hybrid transactional and analytic processing, HTAP. So, let's take a look at the database solution provided by Huawei and see how it addresses these challenges. Based on years of database experience and enterprise-grade scenarios, Huawei has launched an enterprise-grade distributed database, GaussDB. The development of GaussDB has been a core strategy for Huawei Cloud for years. This in-house developed full-stack database is designed to maximize the performance and the hardware it runs on. In addition, our R&D engineers ensures continuous technical innovation for GaussDB. GaussDB supports centralized or distributed deployments. The distributed deployment incorporates many industry-leading technological innovations and provides an extremely competitive, stable, and reliable database for enterprises to embrace internet development and mass transactions in the 5G area. GaussDB supports container deployment and can be deployed on public or hybrid clouds. It can be combined with cloud ecosystem tools to provide a one-stop solution involving the migration, development, and operation and maintenance. In addition, we provide open source centralized GaussDB instances for partners and developers to grow and open a prosperous ecosystem. GaussDB can be deployed on public or hybrid clouds. Huawei Cloud has been technically proven with large-scale projects reaching petabytes. GaussDB can process hybrid transactional and analytical process workloads for financial-grade core transaction and batch processing scenarios. GaussDB incorporates many technologies, but I want to focus on 3 of them. NUMA reconstruction of the global data structure. This feature reduces cross-core and cross-processor conflicts. In a TPC-C test, GaussDB scored 50% higher than the average industry. Distributed optimizer. GaussDB can perform operations such as predictive pushdowns to fully maximize the processing capability of database instances. The LogFree parallel log recovery. This feature makes it possible for a primary standby switchover or failover to be completed within 10 seconds. Now, let's talk of a real-world example of how GaussDB is used. One of the largest state-owned banks in China used GaussDB to reconstruct core and transaction systems into a distributed architecture. In 2017, they started mainframe offloading and reconstructing using distributed databases. They migrated the data from a centralized IBM mainframes, mid-range computers and appliances to ARM and x86-powered distributed databases. We team up with the bank to formulate the migration strategies for a couple of different scenarios. Centralized GaussDB instances were used when there were less data and workloads were reasonably light. Distributed GaussDB instances were used when there was a lot of data, high consistency was required, and there were cross-shard transactions and complex cross-database queries. After more than 2 years of joint efforts with the bank, we built 2 data centers across 2 availability zones in Shanghai based on the Huawei Cloud Stack. This arrangement can achieve an RPO of 0 and an RTO of just seconds. In addition, we built a data center in Beijing as a remote data center to meet disaster recovery requirements for the finance industry. A single database instance can support over 100,000 concurrent corrections, 10,000 transactions per second, and can handle terabytes or even petabytes of data. In the past 2 years, the bank has migrated more than 10 services to GaussDB, covering Class A core services and Class D common services. Now, let's talk about the benefits. In terms of transaction processing, GaussDB is on par with traditional DB2 databases. In terms of report analysis processing, GaussDB is more than 10 times faster. That's all for me now. Thank you very much.